seem like the type to love and leave 'em and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.
Music is a universal language that expresses emotion, tells stories, and connects people across cultures and generations. Whether you are a fan of old bold ads or today's viral hits, we can all agree that music plays a huge role in our life, especially to us Filipinos. Music is made of elements like melody, rhythm, harmony, and lyrics that entertains, inspire, comfort, and bring people close together. Music of the past imbalance the aspect to today's music, from its genre and style, lyrics and themes, production, cultural influence, accessibility, and artist image. It touches the soul of listeners, catches a vast streams, and leaving a history in music industry. Genre and style, music of the past. Focus on traditional classical folk and early pop rock. Its strong influence came from Western classical music and local indigenous sounds. Genre and style, today's music. Diverse and its hybrid includes pop, hip-hop, K-pop, and more. Many artists also make styles to create new and unique sounds. Lyrics and theme, music of the past. Emphasize depth, emotion, storytelling, nationalism, spirituality, and romance. It's more poetic and reflected, shows as a minor of society capturing the changes from storytelling in blues to protest song of the 60s to the evolution of hip-hop music. Lyrics and theme to these music reflects a generation of introspection, identity, activism, and digital life mixed with beats are both deeply emotional and danceable, open, communicates of minimalist in message. Production, music of the past. Uses among recordings like instruments and raw vocal music was often from perform of broadcast on radio. Music has transformed from simple live performance to complex studio creation. Production to these musics, making it faster, more accessibility, and more global than ever before. With the help of digital production, auto-tuning, sampling, and streaming platforms, it produces creativity to make it faster. Cultural influence, music of the past, has a powerful cultural influence tied to tradition and cultural identity, beliefs, and social movements throughout history that used in rituals, celebration, and revolution. Cultural influence today's music, more globalized but still reflects Filipino identity through OPM, original film music, especially in indigenous and pop scenes. As a Filipino, I use music as my healing mechanism and support system. I believe that the importance of music to Filipino is already written in our hearts. This is something in music that we can explain during our high and lows, failures, dark days. Music started to us to give us peace and calm for mind, giving us a hope that just like the smooth melody and sweet lyrics, life always have a good start and is just a lesson. Music also plays a big role in uniting us to our love, offered comfort and joy during celebration. Music is not just an entertainment, it is a reflection of our soul, culture, and resilience.